Why do you take away his source of entertainment? Who asked this?
Satisa's mother.
Who does you refer to?
We refer to your Satisa's father.
What was his source of entertainment?
Drawing pictures and painting.
Okay. So Lakshmi, the next question for you. I don't speak to them. I hate them. Who does I refer to? Who does them refer to?
Seamen.
Very good. Why did the speaker hate them?
The seamen drank too much and they were attached to Columbus.
Okay. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಜಾನ್ went to somewhere ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಮ್ಮ.
Anyone standing like a black ancient mariner. His face is old, wrinkled, rough and unshaven. It shows his pain. His blue shirt is faded and turned dark with sweat. His necktie is undone. His shoes are torn and filled with papers over the all holes. And he stands alone, head down, eyes closed and ears perked. He left his saxophone and played the music. He is no longer a black man. He is a bird and higher and higher. He is spreading the gospel of jazz and spreading the message of God to the people on the earth.
Okay. So ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿವರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 2 ಅಂಕ 3 ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಕೆಲವು ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೇಮ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ. ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್.
The Ambedkar was started by newspapers. Muknayak, Vaishnavan and Samanta. He started some institutions, independence of Labour Party and Italian Commission.
Okay. Very good. Next question. Why did the old man refuse to take extra money?
The old man refused to take extra money for his student when Americans offered him, when Americans were ready to give him double of the price because of he was a man of principle. That's why he didn't take extra money for his student.
Okay. Next question. Anant was a talented boy. What makes you think appreciate him?
And was a talented boy. He was a passionate and best ever tennis player in his school and he was already able to compose his own tunes.
Okay. ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. ಈಗ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. What did the threat of mutually assured destruction include?
At that time, every woman, man and child on the earth lived under the threat of nuclear bombs. Because of each superpower countries and more nuclear bombs to destroy each other within 20 minutes. That's why natural assured destruction played like this.
Okay. Next question for you, Lakshmi. How do you say that Anif was a young man with varied talents and interests?
He was a good writer and sketchwriter. He drawing and he was he loved to play the drums and he was always help others.
Okay. So extra questions ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Who can I call? He asked quickly. Who is the speaker?
Baleshwar Mishra.
Who did the speaker ask this question to?
Roma Talreja.
Okay. So he said that to whom can I call when she got the consciousness. Okay, consciousness ಅನ್ನು ಪಡೆದ ನಂತರ ಅವ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So ಸಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ when did the speaker ask this?
When Roma got conscious, then the speaker asked her to quickly to ask his information about Roma's incident.
Yes, very good. The next question for you. This is an ideal pastime. You would do better to read and get some knowledge. Who said this? Who is the speaker?
Satisha's father.
Very good. Who does you refer to?
Satish.
How did the speaker encourage reading?
He bought so many books and get knowledge.
Yes, he bought so many books and he gave all them to his son Satish. Okay. ಈಗ ಮೊದಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈಗ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ 2 ಅಂಕ 3 ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ change the following sentence into passive voice. Swami caught the burglar. Swami caught the burglar.
The The regular vowels is followed by sounding.
Okay. Next. Yes, you are right. ನೋಡೋಣ ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. Yes, you are right. ಇದು ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಗ್ರಾಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Yes. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉತ್ತರ. Good. I to join you. Join with you. I have to refer to some books. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಯಾವುದು?
To refer.
Yes. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉತ್ತರ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ Yes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಎ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ?
ಏಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದು ವ್ಯಂಜನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ
Give the consonant sounds. That's why we should write there
A.
Yes, we should use a. So when it gives a vowel sound, we should write there a.